As mentioned in a previous video, the same fill patterns are available for arrays as for crystals. Once you select the particular type of pattern, you can customize the pattern using additional controls. The available parameter controls will vary based on the way the array is filled. These can be changed either through the value boxes or through edit shape nodes. Use node editing when you want to edit the pattern visually versus mathematically. With rectangular fill, objects are placed in a rectangular grid. A copy of the shape is placed in the center of the object, and then lines are created from this. There are 4 parameters that can be changed in object properties. Horizontal spacing will define the distance between copies of the horizontal baseline. So if I swipe across horizontal spacing, enter 2, and press enter, the array will update based on the number I entered. Vertical spacing defines the distance between vertical rows of the object. The start angle values are between 0 and 360 degrees, and it will change the orientation of the object to the vector outline of the object. So as I increase the value, you can see the objects are rotating within the shape. The slant angle measures the angle from the start angle and will determine the pattern placement. As I increase that value, you can see how the shape will change. Once an array is created, it can be edited by selecting the array and then clicking on Edit Shape Nodes. Uncheck Edit Outline, and you'll see 3 control points that can be changed to affect the look of the array. So these are used when you want to change the array visually. The number and type of control handles will vary based on the type of pattern fill within the array. Let's look at each control point. Control 1, which is uppermost, will adjust the vertical distance between the shapes as well as the slant angle. Control 2 will change the center of the array. This is the first object of the array that will influence the grid of the array. All objects are placed relative to this one. By default, the center of the shape is placed in the center of the object. This can be used to fussy cut an array. There is no comparable mathematical value box to change this. This must be done through node editing. Control 3 adjusts the start angle as well as the horizontal spacing. So the distance between 2 and 3 specifies the spacing parameter. The angle between 2 and 3 specifies the starting angle, and the distance between 1 and 2 specifies the vertical spacing. Using the Control key as you move points will keep the object on plane and will show you guidelines so that you can snap a control point to a guideline.